ABC2, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
All right, start with a check of the satellite radar pictures. Right now, looking pretty good here across Maryland. We have a few lingering showers primarily on Delmarva, but no active, certainly no intense weather here locally as we had earlier today. Boy, the storm reports just so numerous, so widespread. Just a sampling here right across the immediate Baltimore area. You see all those high wind reports and multiple damage reports, trees down, that kind of thing. And in many spots that wind damage did bring down trees, including trees into houses in some cases. Harford County up into Cecil County, where we saw most of our trees down in the Baltimore region, and further south here into the southern part of the District of Columbia and into northern Virginia. There were tornado touchdowns confirmed this evening. EF zeros on the ground anywhere from 3/4 of a mile to a mile. In many spots, there was significant tree damage in the path of those more potent storms in the D.C. area. In any case, for now, this entire storm system will continue to move slowly but steadily away. On the back side of it, winds, showers, and yes, even snow out on the western edge of the state. Could get a couple of inches out there. Storm damage was significant north of Perryville here, just showing you some of those tree damage photos. This was significant tree in the house here just outside of Aberdeen. One piece of wood shearing off, just getting stuck into the side of that structure. Scary stuff. Limited spots with this kind of damage, but where it happened, it was significant to say the least. Havre de Grace today, you can see we did clear out those storms and we ended up with a clear note, but early on in the day it was all about the storm action. And 51 right now at BWI. Winds are west at 20. What we're going to have to deal with the rest of this night and into the day tomorrow are the high winds. Overnight, winds coming up, spiking into the morning hours, and air temps very chilly, down to 40. So a much colder feeling day tomorrow. And again, those wind gusts up around 40 miles per hour in the afternoon. That'll be our peak winds, but the winds also staying pretty high into early Saturday as well. So we've got a stretch here of high wind conditions. We already see the gusts picking up across the entire mid-Atlantic, the entire northeastern U.S., all being influenced by that double-barreled low pressure. Again, the most intense weather from the system now north of us, but it will still have an impact with that snow north and west of us, including western Maryland, and those windy, chilly conditions wrapping around the backside of the system, the backside of the storm, cold air flowing in. And again, it will feel much colder around here for your Friday as opposed to the warm days we've had early in the week. Changing conditions through the outlook here. You can see it's a chilly, windy day tomorrow, maybe a hit or miss shower, drier this weekend, and a slow but steady warm up after Saturday morning. In fact, early next week, temperatures have the chance to push up close to 80 degrees once again. A little bit of everything.